First, I put my frying pan on the stove and I put a little oil in it, get it hot, and then I put my rice. So I make this just fry, you know. Then I'm gonna add my soy sauce. Putting in 1 tablespoon soy sauce. All over there. I'm gonna mix it up to get some nice color. After I mix this up, I'm gonna put some eggs, some mixed vegetables, and some scallion. Trying to get everything even, you know, get all the white rice, get the soy sauce, get have a pretty color. I'm going to put in a cup of mixed vegetable. Put in my egg and scallion, sweet pepper, and I'm gonna mix everything together like so. Alright. It looks like it'll take a little more soy sauce. So I think I'm going to put another teaspoon in it. I'm going to put a little more soy sauce. Then I'm going to stir it up. Have a nicer color. Get a little darker so that it was white a while ago. How beautiful is this? Put a tablespoon of butter. Yes, it's all finished. This is how it should look when you finish cooking it. I can't wait to try it. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you. Subscribe.